Good morning, and welcome back to AI Today. I'm your host, and we've got some fascinating developments in the world of artificial intelligence to break down for you today. From tech giants facing pricing challenges to breakthrough innovations in telecom, and even a surprising new health concern doctors need to know about. So stick around as we dive into the three biggest AI stories reshaping our world right now. Let's start with a problem that's hitting your wallet. Google is preparing to launch its Pixel 11 smartphone series, and according to reporting from Android Authority, the company appears ready to push prices even higher. Now, this might not surprise you if you've been paying attention to smartphone pricing trends over the last few years. But here's the real question: does Google actually have a compelling reason to justify these price increases? Analysts are questioning whether the company can genuinely defend asking consumers to pay more for the next generation. With competitors like Apple and Samsung also hiking their prices, consumers are increasingly asking whether these premium devices actually deliver proportional value. It's becoming a critical moment for Google to prove that better artificial intelligence features and processing power justify the cost of entry into their flagship lineup. Moving on to something much more technical but equally significant. There's a new AI-native physics simulation operating system that just hit version 0.1.17, called PhysicsOS. What makes this noteworthy is that it represents a fundamental shift in how we're building artificial intelligence systems for real-world applications. This platform uses something called TAPS First Physics Intermediate Representation, along with advanced solver planning and Cloud Runner tooling. In plain English, that means researchers and engineers can now simulate physical systems and test AI solutions in virtual environments much more efficiently than before. This kind of innovation matters because it accelerates the development of AI applications in fields like robotics, autonomous vehicles, and industrial automation. It's the kind of infrastructure breakthrough that often goes unnoticed by the general public, but it's the bedrock upon which tomorrow's AI applications will be built. Now, here's something that should get the attention of medical professionals everywhere. Canada's psychiatry community is being urged to screen for what some are calling AI chatbot psychosis. According to the National Post, psychiatrists are being advised to look for patterns of high-risk human-to-AI engagement, particularly in patients who are isolated or dealing with significant psychological distress. This is a genuinely novel concern that reflects where we are in the evolution of these technologies. As people spend more time interacting with sophisticated chatbots and AI assistants, some individuals may be developing unhealthy attachments or becoming overly reliant on these systems for emotional support and validation. The worry is that without proper screening, these patterns could worsen existing mental health conditions or create new psychological vulnerabilities. It's a reminder that as these tools become increasingly human-like and available, we need corresponding safeguards and clinical awareness to protect vulnerable populations. Meanwhile, in the business world, there's good news for companies innovating in agentic AI. Netcracker Technology just announced it won 2 gold Stevies in the American Business Awards program for its agentic AI solutions. The company is helping telecom providers adopt and implement these advanced systems. This is significant because it shows the market is rewarding real-world applications of AI, not just theoretical breakthroughs. Agentic AI refers to systems that can take independent action to solve problems without constant human direction, and it's proving especially valuable in complex industries like telecommunications where networks require constant optimization and management. So there you have it. Google facing tough questions about smartphone pricing in an increasingly skeptical market. A breakthrough in physics simulation infrastructure that will power next-generation AI applications. A timely warning from Canadian psychiatrists about emerging mental health concerns tied to AI dependency. These stories paint a picture of an industry in rapid evolution, one that's delivering incredible innovations while simultaneously creating new challenges we're only beginning to understand. The race to build better AI is accelerating, but so is our need to think carefully about how these systems integrate into society and into our lives. Thank you for watching AI Today. Like and subscribe for daily AI updates.